tired, he sat down to rest at the foot of the great kapok tree. Before he knew it, he eat and hum of the forest and lulled him to sleep. A boa constrictor lived in the kapok tree and slithered down his trunk to where the man was sleeping. He looked at the gash the axe had made in the tree. Then a huge snake stood very close to the man and hissed in his ear.
Senor, this tree is a tree of miracles. It is my home where generations of my ancestors have lived. Do not chop it down.
3 butterflies flew near the sleeping man's ear.
Senor, our home is a kapok tree and we fly from tree to tree and flower to flower collecting pollen.
And this way we pollinate the trees and flowers throughout the rainforest. You see, all living things depend on one another. A troop of monkeys scampered down from the canopy of the kapok tree. They chattered to the sleeping man.
Senor, we have seen the ways of men. You chop down one tree, then come back for another and another.
The roots of the great tree, when withering down, there will be nothing left to open from plants.
When the heavy rains come down, it'll wash the soil away and the rainforest will become a desert.
Senor, you must not chop down this tree. We have flown over the rainforest and seen what happens when the trees are chopped down.
Many people settle on the land. They set fire to clear the underbrush, and soon the forest disappears. Where once there was life and beauty, only black and smoldering ruins remain. Some bright and small tree frogs crawled along the edge of a leaf. In squeaky voices, they piped in the man's ear.
Senor, a ruined rainforest means ruined lives, many ruined lives. You will leave many of us homeless if you chop down this great kapok tree.
A jaguar had been sleeping along a branch in the middle of a tree. Because his body coat blended into the ample light in the shadows of the understory, no one had noticed him. Now he let down and padded silently over to the sleeping man. He growled at his ear.
Senor, the kapok tree is home to many birds and animals. If you cut it down, where will I find my dinner?
2 tree porcupines swung down from branch to branch and whispered to the man. Senor, do you know what animals and humans need in order to survive?
Oxygen!
And Senor, do you know what trees produce?
Oxygen!
Senor, if you cut down this forest, you will destroy all that gives us life.
An anteater climbed down the kapok tree with his baby clinging to his back. The unstrung anteater said to the sleeping man,
Senor, you are chopping down this tree to fulfill the future. And surely you know what happens tomorrow depends upon what you do today. The big man tells you chop down a beautiful tree. He does not think of his own children who tomorrow must live in a world without trees.
A 3-toed sloth began climbing down from the canopy when the man first appeared. Only now did they reach the ground. Plodding ever so slowly over to the sleeping man, they spoke in their deep, lazy voices.
Senor, how much is beauty worth? Can we live without it? If you destroy the beauty of the rainforest, on what will we feast your eyes? A child from the Yanomamo tribe who lived in the rainforest, now over the sleeping man, he murmured in his ear.
Senor, when you wake up, please look upon us with new eyes. The man awoke with a start. Before him stood the rainforest child, and all around him staring were the creatures who depended upon the great kapok tree. What wondrous and rare animals they were. The man looked about and saw the sun streaming through the canopy. Spots of bright light glowed like jewels aimed at the dark green forest. Strange and beautiful plants seemed to dangle in the air suspended from the great kapok tree. The man smelled the fragrant perfume of the flowers. He felt the steamy mist rising from the forest floor.
But he heard no sound, for the creatures were strangely silent. The man stood up and picked up his axe. He swung back his arm as though to strike the tree. Suddenly he stopped. He turned and looked at the animals and the child.
He hesitated. Then he dropped the axe and walked out in the rainforest. It's the Rainforest Rap.
It's the Rainforest Rap.
Did you know?
Did you know?
It's the Rainforest Rap.
It's the Rainforest Rap.
Did you know that sloths can't move a mile per hour?
Did you know that 2 can't beaks are really long.
Did you know that bubbles have great squeezing power?
It's the Rainforest Rap.
It's the Rainforest Rap.
Did you know?
Did you know?
It's the Rainforest Rap.
It's the Rainforest Rap.
Did you know that anteaters eat termites?
Did you know that jaguars can run up to 60 miles per hour?
Did you know that the prismatic effects of the atmosphere make photosynthesis possible?
It's the Rainforest Rap.
It's the Rainforest Rap.
Did you know?
Did you know?
It's the Rainforest Rap.
It's the Rainforest Rap.
Did you know you can help save